Hello and welcome again. It is time to embrace the snow and hit the slopes with some of the coolest snow vehicles out there. From snowmobiles to snowcat machines, we've got it all covered. We're going to be talking about the coolest snow vehicles for the winter season. Whether you're looking for something to get around town in or something fun for a weekend adventure, there's a snow vehicle out there that can meet your needs. We'll be talking about some of the most popular options today, so grab a cup of hot cocoa and let's dive into the coolest snow vehicles for the winter season. Snowmobiles. If you're looking for an adrenaline-packed adventure, then snowmobiling is the way to go. These machines can reach high speeds, making them perfect for thrill seekers who want to explore the snow-covered landscape in a unique way. Snowmobiles typically have a long, narrow body with two skis in the front and a track system in the rear. The skis are used to steer the vehicle while the track propels it forward. The track comprises of interlocking rubber or metal paddles that grip the snow and ice, providing traction and allowing the snowmobile to travel over uneven terrain. With brands like Ski-Doo, Polaris, and Yamaha offering a wide range of models, there's a snowmobile for everyone. Snow bikes. Snow bikes are the perfect blend of dirt biking and snowboarding. They are lightweight and agile, making them great for navigating through narrow trails and steep terrain. Snow bikes come in various designs and styles, including kits that can be attached to existing dirt bikes, as well as fully custom-built models. They require a different set of skills compared to traditional dirt bikes, as riders must learn to control and balance the bike in snow and icy conditions, with companies like recent years. Snowcat machines. For those looking for a more leisurely ride through the snow, snowcat machines offer a comfortable and unique experience. These machines are equipped with tracks instead of wheels, allowing them to easily traverse through deep snow. With companies like Prinoth and Tucker snowcat machines are perfect for those looking for a more relaxed and scenic ride. They are also used by military and emergency services personnel to perform search and rescue operations and to transport people and supplies in harsh winter conditions. They offer a range of features and options to suit different needs and applications and are an essential tool for anyone who works or plays in snowy environments. Snowmobile trailers. Transporting your snowmobile can be a hassle, which is where snowmobile trailers come in. These trailers allow you to safely transport your snowmobile to and from the trails, while also providing additional storage space for gear and equipment. With companies like Trident Trailers and Aluma offering a variety of models, snowmobile trailers are a must-have for snowmobilers. When choosing a snowmobile trailer, it is important to consider factors such as the number of snowmobiles you plan to transport, the distance you will be traveling, and the terrain and weather conditions you will encounter. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the trailer is properly hitched to the towing vehicle and that both the trailer and snowmobiles are secured during transport. Ski bikes. Ski bikes are a type of bicycle that has been adapted for skiing. They typically have a frame that allows the rider to sit low to the ground and skis instead of wheels. Ski bikes are popular among those who enjoy downhill skiing and mountain biking. They are often used in ski slopes and other snowy terrain where traditional skiing or snowboarding may not be possible or practical. Ski bikes offer a unique and exciting way to experience the thrill of skiing or snowboarding while also providing a different type of challenge and control. Like any winter sport, ski biking can be dangerous if proper safety precautions are not taken. Ice boats. Ice boats are a type of boat that are designed to sail on frozen bodies of water, such as lakes and rivers. They are typically equipped with runners and allow them to glide over the ice at high speeds. It requires a unique combination of sailing skills and ice navigation knowledge, as the boats can travel at high speeds and must be maneuvered carefully to avoid collisions and other hazards. Races and regattas are often held for ice boats, with participants competing in various classes and categories. Ice boats have been around for hundreds of years and many designs have been developed over time. They are typically lightweight and maneuverable, making them ideal for racing and recreational use. However, ice boating can be dangerous if proper safety precautions are not taken, as the boats can travel at high speeds and collisions with other boats or obstacles can result in serious injury. It is important for anyone considering ice boating to receive proper training and to follow all safety guidelines. Snow plows. Snowplows are vehicles that are used to clear snow from roads and other surfaces. They typically have a large blade mounted on the front of the vehicle that can be angled and adjusted to remove snow quickly and efficiently. Snowplow drivers require special training to operate these vehicles safely and effectively, as they must navigate slippery and icy roads while pushing large amounts of snow. Snowplows can also be expensive to maintain, as they undergo a lot of wear and tear during heavy use in the winter months. Despite the challenges, snowplows play a critical role in keeping roads clear and safe during the winter season. Snowboards. Snowboards are a popular winter sport that involves riding down snow-covered mountains on a specifically designed board. They are often used by snowboarders who prefer a more challenging and adventurous experience on the slopes. These are versatile and can be used for a variety of riding styles, from carving groomed runs to exploring off-piste terrain. Snowboarding can be a fun and challenging winter sport, but it's important to have proper training and safety equipment, such as a helmet and appropriate clothing before hitting the slopes. So those are some of the coolest snow vehicles out there this winter season. Whether you're looking for an adrenaline-packed adventure or a relaxing ride through the snow-covered landscape or tackle some rough terrain out in nature, there's definitely an option that will fit your needs perfectly. Thanks again for tuning in today. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any comments or suggestions for future videos, be sure to let us know in the comments below. And as always, stay safe and have fun out there.